Historically, the most terrible things, war, genocide, and slavery, have resulted not from disobedience, but from obedience. Dissent is the highest form of patriotism. To be hopeful in bad times is not just foolishly romantic. It is based on the fact that human history is a history not only of cruelty but also of compassion, sacrifice, courage, and kindness. We need to decide that we will not go to war, whatever reason is conjured up by the politicians or the media, because war in our time is always indiscriminate, a war against innocence, a war against children. Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. Civil disobedience is not our problem. Our problem is civil obedience. The challenge remains. On the other side are formidable forces, money, political power, the major media. On our side are the people of the world and a power greater than money or weapons, the truth. Behind the deceptive words designed to entice people into war, there is the reality of the war system, something so deeply embedded in the economic and political and cultural institutions of society as to be nearly invisible. We don't have to engage in grand, heroic actions to participate in the process of change. Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. Protest beyond the law is not a departure from democracy. It is absolutely essential to it. It's not about how many years you have in your life. It's about how much life you have in your years. There is no flag large enough to cover the shame of killing innocent people. The cry of the poor is not always just, but if you don't listen to it, you will never know what justice is. Injustice has never been defeated by silence.